Welcome dear friends to my latest drone video showcasing the beauty and rich cultural heritage of Mikulov, the center of the Palava region. The Chateau of Mikulov is the star of the show with its magnificent architecture and beautiful gardens. This captivating city is full of history, charm and beauty that's sure to leave you breathless. So sit back, relax and enjoy this 5-minute journey through Mikulov, filled with interesting historical facts and stunning views of this magical city. Did you know that the chateau has a history dating back to the 13th century? You'll be able to see it in this video, shot using the latest drone technology from DJI Mini 3 Pro and GoPro Hero 11 Black. Mikulov was once a center of Jewish life in the region, with a thriving Jewish community dating back to the 15th century. You can still see the influence of the Jewish people throughout the city today, including the old Jewish quarter, the Jewish cemetery, and the stunning Baroque synagogue. And the history of Mikulov goes back even further than that, with evidence of settlements dating back to prehistoric times. Throughout history, Mikulov has been home to many different cultures and people. The Palava region of Moravia has also seen its fair share of conflicts and war over the centuries. Perhaps the most famous battle to take place in the region was the Battle of Austerlitz, fought on December 2nd, 1805, during the Napoleonic Wars. The battle was fought between the French forces led by Napoleon Bonaparte and a combined force of Russian and Austrian troops. It was a fierce and bloody battle with over 15,000 casualties on both sides. But the history of conflict in the region goes back much further than the Napoleonic Wars. The Celts, Romans and Slavs all fought for control of the region at various times, leaving behind a rich mosaic of culture and historical artifacts and sites. The scars of war can still be seen in the region. There are many memorials and museums dedicated to those who fought and died in the many conflicts that have ravaged this beautiful land. Despite the violence and bloodshed of the past, the Palava region remains a place of beauty and wonder, with a rich and diverse cultural heritage that is waiting to be explored and appreciated by visitors from all over the world. Beyond the chateau, there are many other cultural heritage sites worth visiting in the Palava region, including the impressive ruins of Moravia Castle and Gothic Castle of Lednice. There is also a stunning UNESCO-listed Lednice-Valtice cultural landscape. But no matter where you go in the region, you'll be surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty with rolling hills, lush forests, and pristine lakes and rivers. It's truly a magical place and I'm so excited to share it with you in this video. Chateau is just one of the many historical landmarks you'll find in Mikulov. The city is home to many other fascinating historical sites, all within walking distance of each other. This concentration of cultural heritage icons in such a small space makes Mikulov a unique destination for anyone interested in history and architecture. And let's not forget about the local cuisine and rich winemaking traditions that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. The accommodations and services in the region are top-notch, making it easy to relax and enjoy all that Mikulov has to offer. That's still not all. Mikulov is also known for its rich historical folklore traditions. Catch one of the many original folklore events and you'll be transported back in time, experiencing the full bloom of the region's cultural heritage. My dear viewers and supporters, I cannot thank you enough for taking the time to watch my videos and support my channel. It's a true honor to have such a fine and sophisticated audience like you, who appreciates the beauty and richness of cultural heritage and historical landmarks. Your comments and feedback have been invaluable in helping me improve the quality of my content, and I would love to hear your thoughts on my latest video about the Chateau of Mikulov. So, if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and leave a comment. And for those who are finding my content useful and inspiring, I encourage you to subscribe and join our community of viewers with noble interests like you. Thank you again, and I look forward to sharing more exciting content with you soon.